cancer, obesity, ADHD, depression, anxiety, low concentration level, low focusing. All these are the symptoms which have been found amongst the children in the recent studies, especially post-COVID, all across the world. And the scientists which have presented their findings in the World Summit for EMF Hazards 2025, the theme is Protect Our Children. And the findings are one solution which is there, which all has recommended, was earthing. Remove those shoes, go outdoors, connect with Mother Earth, soak in those electrons. Dr. Stephanie McCarter, who is an internal medicine practitioner, environmental medicine specialist, and especially in electrosensitivity, she has come out with a study that she herself took her children to an eco home where the Wi-Fi was just switched on for a very minimum time. Rest, it was the children, her teenage children were taken outdoors, made to remove the shoes and connect with Mother Earth. For the first 2-3 days, they had withdrawal symptoms. But then at the end of the week, they themselves said that yes, we are feeling better, lighter, our headaches have gone, and they're feeling more energized. She has also recommended that earthing is something which is so important for the children to connect, because now we are living in this electro pollution where we don't have an escape. But yes, Dr. Martha Herbert, she's the one, a neuropediatrician. She came out with that cancer, the rectal cancer, is on such a rise. So what has she recommended? She said she has lived her life and given her work research past 20 years in the city. And she finally moved, when she found the findings, to rural areas. There she found that being a pediatrician, that the children of the rural areas are highly confident, they have better eye contact, they have better social skills, they have better communication skills, they have better motor skill development and coordination, they are more social and they are more into service, because everything is hands-on. They're working in the farms, they're doing everything on their own. Their schools don't have Wi-Fi, whereas the children in the cities, they have all depression, anxiety, headache, they are loners, they get into that loneliness cuckoo kind of thing because they're constantly in the EMF and also in the gadgets that they are using. So this was her big finding, which she found that children of the rural areas are basically overall excellent in health and also in all their development. As a neuropediatrician, this is what her finding is. So they both recommended, what should you do? What is the solution? The first solution is, she said, the parents have to take responsibility. Responsibility of what? First, you should be the one, as Mahatma Gandhi said, if you want to see the change, be the change. Now, what is that change? First is minimize your mobile. Don't give your mobiles in the hands of infants. That's what even Dr. Martha had said. The skin and the skull of the infants is so sensitive that they will absorb this radiation. Second, limit their screen time. Third, most important, she says, take the children out for camping, connect them with nature, remove those shoes. You should do it instead of taking them to malls where the EMF is so high, especially with all the gadgets out there for the games which they have, is what they're soaking in. Fourth, always try to have board games in the house instead of watching television. So these are few suggestions that they have given, and yes, nothing like nature. This was one thread which earthing, which everybody had suggested, nothing like nature, to go outdoors, discharge that radiation, soak in those electrons and see the difference. And this is what they have also found in their research. So well, just to sum it up, the World Summit of EMF Hazards, they all come to one conclusion, that yes, we are living in this electro pollution. So the only solution is go outdoors, spend time outdoors, connect with nature, reduce your Wi-Fi, go to schools, talk to schools about reducing the Wi-Fi in the schools. You don't need that. So this is one of the findings that I have, and I'll share some things tomorrow, how you can earth your children outdoors as well as indoors and why it is so important. Thank you. Have a lovely day.